Yo, what is up, guys? Serg here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys what is affiliate marketing and how you guys could implement it on whatever you guys are planning to do. You know, whatever online business you guys are planning to do. If you guys are doing vlogs, if you guys are doing something else, you know, even though, yeah, vlogs are actually considered a business. So any type of online business, no matter if you guys are doing blogs, YouTube, you know, none of that stuff. But you guys could actually get started as of today, so you guys could know what it is and how you guys could apply to some of these affiliated programs and stuff like that. So you guys could get started today and start putting your affiliate links in your descriptions. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. So yeah, and I'm actually doing a free course down below. If you guys want to take advantage of that, I'm letting 300 people join to my free course. It's gonna always be for free, but I'm gonna close it down until I reach 3, so I can help out those 3, and I'm gonna reopen it later on. So I'm doing it for free, completely free, but I'm just want to let 300 people in first, so I could help them out to reach their goals on affiliate marketing. And it shows you step by step on how you guys can actually get started. So all you guys gotta do is hit that. All you guys gotta do is hit the link down below and enter your email, and it's gonna send you to a page to create an account, and that's pretty much it. All right, so yeah, what is affiliate marketing? A lot of people will tell me what is affiliate marketing and how you guys could get started with affiliate marketing. Alright, affiliate marketing is basically promoting other people's products. Alright, so you get a unique link that's specific to you guys, and you put it anywhere where you guys are giving value or to people who want to purchase it. All you guys got to tell them, alright, go through this link, go through that link, and alright, purchase it. And when people purchase through your link, you get a commission out of it. So there's no extra charge for them purchasing through your link. So you know, so you just get a commission every single time someone purchase it. So that's basically what you guys what affiliate marketing is. And you know, affiliate marketing, you guys could implement it on whatever your business is actually doing. Alright, you know, your affiliate marketing could be like your backbone of your online business. You know, it's an extra stream of income. Whatever you guys are doing, if you guys are doing YouTube, you know, YouTube pranks or whatever, and you guys want to promote a product, you know, if you guys are doing YouTube to help people do influencers, do Instagram reach or whatever, and you guys have tools for them to help out, you guys could promote those tools and get money out of it. So that's an extra source of income. So what I mean by getting digital tools is, like, you know, like creating a website. Like, you guys are gonna need web hosting if you guys are gonna start a branding or do some side of article stuff. You guys are gonna need web hosting. So what you guys could do is teach them how to do that. So that's all you guys gotta do to promote. Like, there's multiple ways for you guys to get started and use affiliate marketing as an extra sources of income. So you guys do not have to just do affiliate marketing. You know, if you guys want to do something else, like I said, if you guys want to make a YouTube channel about cooking, you doing cooking, but you guys want to start earning money as of like right now, when you guys first post your video and you guys are not monetized, you guys could do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not a rich quick scheme, how people make it seem. Like, people do. The reason why affiliate marketing gets a bad name, because a lot of people just promote affiliate marketing courses before promoting something they actually like and stuff like that. So that's why affiliate marketing gets a bad name. It's not a pyramid scheme. It's not nothing like that. It's just a method for you guys to start earning money. So affiliate marketing is not a scam. Affiliate marketing is just another way for you guys to earn money online. Alright, so affiliate marketing could easily promote headphones like this. Alright, that's all you guys gotta do. You guys rock them. You know, you do that. You just rock them in your videos, and that's all you guys gotta do, and start promoting these. Alright, and stuff like that. So that's what, you know, that's why affiliate marketing gets a bad name, because people start promoting affiliate marketing courses. and they just, keep pounding up, pounding up, pounding up, pounding up. But the only thing you guys do not continue to promote is just, you guys could promote phones, you guys could promote this mouse, whatever you guys want to promote. Like I said, if you guys want to create a YouTube account where you guys teach people how to cook or show you guys recipes, what you guys could do is actually promote the products that you guys use in that video. All right, so let's say you're doing something with chicken pasta or whatever. You guys could promote the pans that you guys use, the blenders, the how you guys make the sauce and stuff like that. The knife that you guys use to cut vegetables, the chicken, the whatever you guys use right there. You guys could create a YouTube channel and just create anything you guys want to and start making money. Like if you guys like technology, you guys could start promoting tech stuff and get monetized and start making reviews about headphones or anything that has to do with techie stuff, whatever you guys like to do, you guys could start doing that. It's not like all right, I need to make money this way, and this way. But no, you guys could make money by starting off affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is just a method for you guys to start earning money online. It's not like, it's not a scheme. So anybody could actually join an affiliate program right now and start earning money by these other companies. Bose has an affiliate marketing program. Nike has an affiliate marketing program. Apple has an affiliate marketing program. A lot of people have affiliate. Disney has an affiliate marketing program. A lot of places have affiliated programs where you guys could actually start earning commissions and start earning money without putting in the work. And the best thing about it is that you guys could post a video from here on there, or post an article, or post something and just start earning commissions. All right, so that's what affiliate marketing is, and that's how you could use affiliate marketing for your backbone of your business. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could get notified when I post my latest video. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys want to take advantage of that free affiliate marketing course, the link is down below. All you gotta do is put your email in it and just subscribe. It'll send you to a page, and then all you gotta do is create a free account. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.